everyone, this is Sherry from Petals and Wicks. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of our home DIY kits for kids. Today we're going to do our hand soap for girls or boys. Our hand soap, they can make it and then we send it out for a boy or a girl. So what will come in your DIY kit for your hand soap? You will receive a bottle of hand soap. You will receive some fragrance oil and a couple labels that can be decorated and you can name your hand soap and put your scents on there. You will also, depending on if you order a boy or a girl hand soap, you will also get a mystery set of stickers that the kids can decorate their bottle. If it was a girl, you may get unicorn, or if it's a boy, you might get a dinosaurs, you might get monsters, just fishies. Just depends on if you order a boy or a girl hand soap. Make your hand soap with your kids. What you're going to want to do when you open up your package is you're going to open up your hand soap and just take your lid off. And in your kit, you're going to receive your fragrance oil, and you're going to take that fragrance oil and you're just going to pour it in to the hand soap. Then you're going to put your lid back on, and then it's as simple as shaking up the hand soap, and you're going to notice that it's going to cloud, and you kind of want that to cloud all the way down. And that one's pretty good. Once you shake it and get it mixed, you do not need to continue to shake it. So it's cloudy all the way down, so that means our scent is mixed through. Now I will tell you that your scent will be at its peak in about 12 hours. Safe to use, however, it'll be at its peak. Depending on if you ordered a boy or a girl hand soap kit, the kids can then decorate that. So I picked a monster one here. The kids love the monsters. Keeps all the little monsters away, right? And then they can just begin to decorate it. They will get a few stickers to go with it. And here they have their monster, in this case, spray. They also will receive a sticker that they can then name their scent or their hand soap, and they can place that on the back of their hand soap as well. It's that simple, but easy, and also it encourages them to wash their hands and keep the germs away.